Okay guys, I'm going to show you how you thread a Juki sewing machine. So you start here. I use a polyester thread. It's a 15 takes 210 from Ceraphil. And I run the thread up here and it goes through this little hole here. But it doesn't just go there once, it returns back from the other side and you stick it through one more time. It needs a little bit of tension. There you can see it's coming out. And then you pull it down so it's lying like this. This is it from the Juki instruction manual. So then once you are at this point, you run it through the bottom hole there. You can see the tension now in the thread, and that's because we run it twice through the eyelet of that hole. Now it goes back up again here and it runs up to the top hole there. From there we're gonna go into this one over here, and it's very easy, simple, just straight through that top hole there, and then you lay it in the slot that you have over there, and you can tension it a little bit here before you run it through the second hole down there. So far, very easy. Now you go in behind here. It needs to go all the way into that slot over there, and then it goes into the between the shims, and this is the tensioning knob where you tension your thread, your upper thread. And it goes around. It needs to go all the way back. 360 degrees, sorry. And then you go back again, so it's lying on the little metallic wire there. And then it goes down around that piece of metal there and up again and in under that first little bridge you see there, where we brought it in. So it's sitting like this. This way your tensioning knob will function. Now you can see that here I have this one on the bottom. I will raise it up because the next step is to run the thread through that hole over there, out on the other side, and here we run it again into that little slot there. Now we're close to finish. We're going to run it down here and we run it into this one, this little guide over there. Now you only have two holes left. The first one is up here. You see that little hole over there. That's where it's going now. And the last one you do is that you run the thread through the eyelet of your needle. There we go. Just need to grab onto that one over there. And now we run the thread into the presser foot. There. So that's all there is to it. Very easy. Reverse from the needle up to the needle guide up there, up to the overall guide that takes it down to the needle guide. Then we go up to this one, which is moving everything and supplying you with the thread all the time. There you have the thread tensioning knob, another tensioning knob, the Z, and then up to this one over there for your thread. Thanks for watching, guys. Now, of course, you have a thread underneath as well. I'll show you how you hook up with that one. The needle down once, goes down, and up again. I pull a little bit, and there you saw it coming out. Pull a little bit more. And that's the bottom thread there. And the machine is ready for action.